Transform this wreath into a beautiful and vibrant spring decoration for your home. Let us show you how. We started with a simple mixed foliage and daisy wreath. It's lightly decorated and the woven grapevine frame makes a good base for other decorations. Gather a selection of colorful artificial flowers. Cut sprays into individual blooms, leaving a few inches of stem. Our wreath already has a few flowers. Use your flowers to evenly fill the spaces in between. Alternate larger and smaller blooms. Pair bright colors like pink and orange for emphasis. Keep the look balanced by adding flowers to the outside, top, and center of the wreath. A contrasting color like purple makes bright blooms really glow. For depth and dimension, tuck some flowers deeper into the foliage and let others extend beyond the wreath outline. Wasn't that easy? With just a few flowers and your own decorative flair, you can create a wreath for your home that's bursting with bright spring color.